In this video, I will show you how to screen share PlayStation 5 on Discord. On your PS5, go to Settings, then Systems, then select Remote Play and turn on Enable Remote Play. Make sure your PS5 is in rest mode with Stay Connected to the Internet enabled in Settings, System and Power Saving. Download PS Remote Play from Sony's official website. Install and launch the app, then log in with your PlayStation account. You have to do this on your PC or laptop. Then open the PS Remote Play app and select PS5. Wait for the connection to establish and ensure your PS5 screen is visible on your PC. Open Discord on your PC and join a voice channel. Tap Share Screen and select the PS Remote Play window. Start streaming your gameplay to your Discord friends. In Discord, tweak video quality settings for a smoother streaming experience. Ensure your PC and internet connection can handle high quality streaming. That's it. You can now screen share your PS5 gameplay on Discord. If this video helps, like, share, and subscribe.